Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Kwame Mejoso.
Bokorie.
Ya me adom eno Bible.
Na say ase adwuma wa yi bi.
Kwame, yi say adwuma we na le da na say Mondays you know the na me so radio na me say wo kan ho asem na me Kwame akofa asem na ba. Kwame na asem we no seni akofo kan change seni uhuru.
I see.
So change seni uhuru na Kwame kaya ya konya me do me kwa agents for ni di tatams on the coming.
Really?
Yes, and me jaya Kwame me wo videos me wo se ubisa mana wo ni omo kasa no edia no mateminka reference upon me wo platform me ni omo kasa me contact me wo 3,000 people are omo golf
3,000
people are more golf me you know total no 8,000 platform people I have on my platform 3,000 crofwe wo golf nkwa na ni etiene se on se hono omuni radio bia Americans omote bibi se wo fidi kase dia dia no me sure se hono kran se be dru home pa e be mo kwan amomachi enti ni woman is omo phones na no mo enti me critics our WhatsApp platform no ade bia na omo akeka kire omo no se papa bi wo ho a wo boa reverence upon o contact na Kwame Buruma Jenny ase so say me call Foreign Affairs Ministry na me call hono me ntibi nhia maame no nhia ni deputy no na ni deputy no me twetwe nkomo no Kwame me di nkomo kyerɛkyerɛ no baabi ani ani Ghana fo bi agu a ɔno kra wɔ so wonte din ni da na so do busa ma no a ye frɛ baabi Ajof Sakaka any Mama Sadika na sa place ya mabudi eye kurebiase a meaning ko hoda be minim honsam chen omomotewo se etise bia memfanse free akra ha ko be temale
wow
na so mo de omo doji a ho na ya na yedi mu kofa I say village na ye de omo kuku ho na kwa me ka kire se maybe a omo free me a na omo gu omo ye video call ma me hu omo no se bi isi omo no no kwa mesre so bi didi anope ya on fancha me one WC ne top no nsuo na ba ho me ya de flash no
e
ho no mo se nsuo enom yes na edan no mo demu no ba ko ene ye dia ye baller dumping site a se bi ma omo bu omo nsa pad omo di gum ene ade na dan no kwa me obi an ko ho nkohwe omo ye dia ne fa to krubim to say bibi to say your friend is truly be so now at the end of the day and go inside and I have videos of all these things. I've been keeping the video for almost about 3 years now. Kwame me ko ye na me ko kasa ye no a me kasa ye say o kasa wanu nrujum me dey sa my first I think 1st of June and His Excellency Nanado Dankwa or the band that so band that's why any kwansenka obi free hako sekrumo but unim se ne be omutimi fa Ghana airport ombinuma ka chems omutresika ya moboko
omofa airport hey
yes ebinum odi ebisa ma na omuti won kwa me na me se mi wo evidence so ma me kwan ya necessary me niam ni na dia ba station ho na me video proof by proof any baby me tibi kokodu ye kwa me afa na minya threat it take the lives of one military man be an over platform so and yes a main fan numbers of omo threatening me na mano na ono mbe deal and na omuja ye kwa me afa du baby no na me hu se me kwa hu ye nti so no wo ma me ade na wo se bi HDD and na kwa me meje HDD a me nkasa na yes the more awo ko na wo pese utu ase no na the more na sankrofo yin nso no o ma tretre o ma taba mu baabi a e ma ni bi wo kwa me ye do mu free Ghana ha do ma kwa o mu nim so mo ko bia Europe because on grant passport visa no kwa no on who passport no who visa kwa e wo mu and some of them are very learned nanso obehunu no na bia wogina e bia Saudi Arabia airport and wogina any of these Gulf countries the airport na wudu wani ajo passport no na ne etene say of agents ne wo omo representatives e wo kru no so Inti is believed that Omuchi Sikachitri Die Pao, Kasia Pama, Omubia, a tune of 30,000 Ghana cedis, 40,000 Ghana cedis. Na contract ni munni say sikana ete se bia okoji store kwa no kroma na asitu ya bibi te say goodwill. It is our goodwill that we no guarantee you say store mu ho betre mu for 5 years. Sa na TSS goodwill ya omdiama rep for no mo ho no e guarantee ban so mbe ye adwuma for 2 years ye be ma no a month no 1,000 Ghana cedis equivalent.
Yeah.
No, binunya 900, binunya 800, sister. Me will maybe over 2 years in each and a kada. Mokoka, na boss, get or limit is here, Kwame, of hobby. Me no mobile, me share the Kofa free airport. To me, the baby fee mom, but that dear, na me met you on case, I'm on Mukura on Pesom Kosubia. Now, I quote Timothy has to see or has to see before the man or no Becasa. If you hold a buy or buy, come share in your boy, Diano, next or see a man a poison, your poison, the poison with Janima, Woody. But my men who know Ujani because of who's will summer.
Wow.
Yes, while poison and so girl you. Tine and one say, come here, some way, a switching senior you would have me no, Yami, say, Sir, Secretary did or Muchiyama agent, and man in the motion into what? Omutimi catch it is a way at all, mammy. You be sold to me. Say, no, Case, bear 5, Omuta Masua, and what's it, Omumo, but almost sees your passport. Now, we say, we tinting treat here. It has said, or Martin again, they can, Omutan, Omuntum, Safano, or Moho. It is what person you be here, and once I know, or no to me, but no a bell or the Safana bed to pronum, now work him. In perpetuity, to a prison was at them for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days without food, without water.
How?
Yes. Coming. And somewhere else also no, Uji one won't say. Now, said yes, Utu. No two more money so because a man also almost ready to the stand say Kwame me preacher can't say woman be forum it's ya woman and no more kasa say omo ban e mamu nko e kwame be hu on be ba no what me nya dwuma nya kuma me nya didi ye ube hu atra be start in nka bi reverend me wo Saudi Arabia
Ye den
maid servant. Na juma omo ye no Kwame yetimi ma obi to say dan is why you the glass here with about biscuit before no water no the ladder no or glass obi picture breme yes picture the breme Kwame inti say platform ni dey mean say great ni e dey uradia say and then no menim ni ya just say jamia kan wakoma o dey saadi abaso Kwame ni ya me can say me pem me message documents at the war manu binu videos on my ya bremi bidia kra ne boss no dem ho person in that sometimes omuka extreme asuma bro say are you over exaggerating or something and they're like no reverend we can bring you videos of what is happening now ultimately the video ni see ho bra ne boss ne ba ho person rape ne da baba wana anti ase ni ade kwa mo ye pelu atwa so where we are gold na no human rights law meaning say nyetuma ho say I don't know Kwame say uye bibi next year do on who janeko police wa police ni be sa de wakwa akoma nipa no back
and that's what I say was him
yes why ye bibi no on be sign the one sa ko who janeko police for the be sa de wakwa na impono say we free wakwa ko embassy Ghana embassy no kra not until say boss no be release you document no minim adekro ye ntimi say ye nye amnesty we it's Kwame ni na me ye say me wo car di wo ho a onim ho oye taxi driver into the end say me send location nipa ne location me nipa ne send ni location ma send ni location amaga no na anajo omakoria nipa ne free ne boss no ho ye hye no abran sensitive yakina ebikwa mbitimi ekuno
wow
na watimi akoria girl na free eho no wodi timi twa kwan be se bia be kwan be se ahade bia kumase no wodi ne dwane no wodi ne koda no no kwan Kwame yi wo musa no a ebi wo be hunu no na enam se okoga na embassy wa Kwame no kreni e wo se ho so ye to yi pa embassies na wo foreign lands. No, baby, sir. Come here, yes, so him. Would you check your bones? Ghana for man super Ghana for your own trio, Kunum or more. Nigeria phone cause truth problems. Other countries, Ethiopia for that's almost any Ghana for it. So to be such a Dana and Kakura embassy room. Na kind of ambassador ewukronum na etimi trumpembe so se dipa ne betimi kane akọ embassy ho na still no kra no edu bia yesi se wo boss no amoa ba be sign se kwa nsa.
Anyway, and yes, say any ambassador no ha on so because on no this rescue effort him on it foreign minister intina na pay twina ba hanu na Reverend ye face here ye be san ba but me here
me pembre na wo de me am de niema ba ba kyerɛw na wo de say ummem unyam nya WhatsApp number kwa keka sisi akwa metimi forward videos bi ma bro akwa I don't think you sleep too well.
Reverend Mamenda Pacho Fama could just you
sleep too well. I don't think when you watch it or listen to some of the audios Kwame one help this one.
Reverend Edas Yebesamba Reverend Isaac Asuma Sapon and Amotene Kano na Ruth in some Reverend Sapon no kre
Pacho majority no kre biso no kre
Florence usuji tu say do na no kre
me Pacho
na ya se nyama ne ede yam no mu nka ni nyina me hu
no ebi wo ho a eduane kra na obedi no ense da nye omo bet why nyina mo gina kitchen aye eduane na ewi no wo serve unless they finish eating then you eat the leftover inti either say ebi ko ebi anka ebi ka na obenye bi edi ebi anka emfa na ho
na there's also folk it's true no true but the woman say omo kwa contract omo ko sign na de nyina no omo anka say omo ti contract na say
mo sign contract
the contract
contract is written in the Arabic.
In Arabic.
Yes. So who do you be ko na brofo kan kra na anything e be dey no what Arabic no akọ sign contract in Arabic.
Are you saying say contract dey share unsem na ya try na Arabic?
It's all in Arabic. Omon translating ko English and some sign.
They don't do it. In this no the embassies are saying any the committee aye hu ejuma no chairman they can say the consulates, the embassies must be involved if we have to do exports of skills. But say omo bedu krom no kra ni enim ho hwe na baby omo wo ni maybe o ma wo ebi no so ho a omo opportunity omo beko mama embassy na che say omo wo krom no, but they don't do it until a do critical stage at the time now maybe any embassies so consulate hono is the Lebanese that is in charge as honorary consul inti here certain reforms about those areas and the embassies and the consulates must be involved in every contract. Say be obey to me aye policy need monitoring no. These are the changes no because Amana they are not involved now. They can follow up on in the manner edu baby no heading cross obenya obi the way jira mao dodo na buy no over 1,500 they buy no almost 1,800 passports ya va ma won njemu e dey into kwan as I say travel certificates normally no ye $35 SAS can nyina ebo consulate ni exhibitions no, but on this occasion no ye we va ni nyina obi ancha ka prekra enti omo agi omo passport no mo fi so mo tumi ntu kwan baby Lebanese employers no baby won say ye tumi dey one buy. This is the job we intimate some etiefo enti say some moment that generalization in the embassies don't care, you know. We went the extra mile.
Yes, sense me back. Walk of fast back. Me call Russia. Na say Russia so. Utie na reverse.
BSFM 105. 104.3 wotumi ntaake